Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. I am going to level with you here. My ears are filling up with sweat right now. Yes. Please tell me somebody's clipping this. No, 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 no. You're first. You're first. You're not the worst. Yes. Did I contribute to Godot? The answer is yes. If you can contribute to an open source project, even if it's documentation, documentation is immensely important, and especially in open source. And you don't have to be a developer to do documentation. I highly, highly recommend if hold on, I'm making that screen cap here. And then I'm just going to keep streaming and do it again and 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 again. That didn't work. Thank you, Freedom. Appreciate that. Avoid user. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch, watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. Ease. Ah. Sega. It's a winner. It's a winner. I want to make it clear right here, right now. I am against ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. Okay? So there can be no confusion here. I do not recommend taking your dick, ripping it off, and tossing it in the direction of anyone. All right? Good. What the points left? You really want to see me have sex on stream, don't you? Guess what? It's a super chainsaw. Hey. Why didn't I pitch a tent? Oh boy, where am I gonna poop? I don't see any pooping holes. Uh-oh, what happened? Boom. He got you. You're dead. Game over. Hey, Bex, I learned the hard way yesterday, and this is another good reason to back up your shit and use Git. Hey. Back up your shit. Use Git. Whoa. We're just gonna hunt down our good boy here. Coming right for me. Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome back. It's been a while. It's been 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks. What do we got? Who do we got here? Let's see. We got Gearglass 47 first. RCB, thank you for saying hi. Welcome in. I told you I'd be back. Woger, thank you for the resub. 3 months, 5 months total. Tier 2. Thank you for being annoying. I appreciate your annoyingness ish thing. Res1, thank you for saying hi. Cricket, welcome in. CC, good to see you back. Hopefully you're not doing any kind of tax evasion. We'll just say tax evasion after the message you sent me on Discord. But yeah, it's been a fortnight since I've been on. That's a long time. In stream years, I'm practically dead, right? Let's see. Make a couple of changes for myself here. Let's turn that down just a week. So you do that. I'm just getting myself reacquainted how all the shit works. So that was dumb. Wow. Wow. Pro streamer. Just shut off the music. Everybody be quiet. Just wanted to turn it down a little bit. Jeez. So for people who Fishman, another sub.
Fishman001 just subscribed for 2
001.
months.
It's been 2?
Look at you, it's now been
2? It's now been 2? Welcome in, Fishman. Wow, so many great people here already. This is great. So after last stream, that's right, you will, and you won't ask. I'll tell you. After last stream, I made a trip to Europe. It was amazing. Went there for a conference for DrupalCon Barcelona. Had some really good vegan paella. It was delicious. Met some of my team for my new job. Came back after a week, and then I ended up getting sick with an infection, which is what you usually get sick with. But it's a weird thing on my. It's a weird skin thing that ended up making like fever and other stuff. So I was kind of laid out for a few days. And then seasonal allergies knocked me out. So that was the last week after I got back last Friday. Yes, Wilger, I came back. Bane couldn't handle me. No, the 3 languages of Barcelona were extremely intimidating. I could pick up a little bit of. I know enough Spanish to say, do you speak English, or to get myself places or in trouble. I don't know any Catalan, and I feel bad going to another country and just expecting English. I don't want to be, but most people looked at me and they're like, "Oh, Americano. I will speak English for you because you are dumb." I'm like, "Yes, thank you. I appreciate that." No, it was really good. The conference was great. Meeting my team, people that I work with, was amazing. On Thursday, I'm going to Seattle for another conference. And this one, I'm actually doing some talking. So I figured we'd work on the presentation a little bit more. Maybe even work out a way to make a presentation presentation framework. Maybe. So I had this idea. I've had a couple ideas that I've been writing down in various places. Let's see what's going on here. And have there been any updates? I am so far out of any loop right now with anything because I was sick enough to where I didn't even want to touch a computer. And this was a brand new job, and I took off on half of Monday, all of Tuesday, because I was that knocked out. Yeah, speaker credentials. I mean, most conferences I go to, honestly, I speak at. Latest. Okay, so there hasn't been any. Oh, that's cool. So there haven't been any patch updates, which is good. Oh, see, I saw that when I came back to work, and I think I was in Cavino's stream. No, Full Box's stream, and somebody mentioned it, and I'm like, oh, no, no, bad. Yeah, that was rough. I do not envy Nat, the community manager, for anything that she's had to go to. Yeah, let's focus on the tech. Let's focus on it being a great open source. So my new job, now that I can say more about it, now that I've actually started, it's LinkedIn official, as they say. I work for a company called Heroes Devs now, and our entire thing is keeping open source software alive and secure. So things. Hey, first time chat from Cavino. Just Cavino. Welcome in, Just Cavino. It's good to see you, Just Cavino. Allow me to introduce myself. I am the most important person in this chair right now. But as for the stream, it's all of you. The rest of you are the most important peoples. So tell us a little bit about yourself, Just Cavino. I'm kidding. I know exactly who you are. Welcome in the artist formerly known as FFW or FFS. Excuse me. RCB, you're too kind. It's so good to see you back too. So yeah, the company that I work for now, we keep dead software alive is kind of our shtick. Where if open source software, if there are certain things that get outdated, deprecated, faded, take if you know JavaScript, take Angular 1, the very first Angular. There's still a lot of places that use that. When it became unusable or unsupported, we took over and started putting out security updates and keeping it alive for those people. The reason I got brought on is because Drupal 7 is being put end of life next year on January 5th, and there are still hundreds of thousands of sites on Drupal 7, and I'm going to keep them secure, things like that. So they're the company that took me over there. I guess I should say a disclaimer now that any opinions here are my own. I'm on my own stream here. I'm not representing the company. I'm just, I really like the company I work for. They've been good to me. And I'm only on, I just finished week 3. All right, I feel like there's a lot of catching up to do because I've been, the camera got shaken, not stirred somehow, somewhere along the way. Maybe that's a little bit better. See my pecs go boom, 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 boom. Fix it, 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 fix it. Oh, I just realized I need to go get a haircut today before I take off to Seattle. I need to get my hair did. Today will be about the only chance that I have to do it. So I'll need to do that today. All right. So what are we doing today? Fucking no. I think I want to work more on. I'm behind on shout outs too. I'm sorry. I am just like reacquainting myself with what is computer. Stop all the downloading. Pork chop sandwiches. I'm just reacquainting myself here. Just so CC, is this a new account for you or is this the same account? And if so, are you streaming still? Okay. Let's look. We got Thank you for the follow, Axeron Pinox. That clip from RCB was not an indication of how I feel about the new follows. So welcome in. And you know, I'll try to get the queue up here. So here's what I was thinking. What if instead of me putting things, of course, you are welcome for the shout out. Instead of me making slides in another thingy, you know, like PowerPoint or PowerPoint. They just say PowerPoint instead of like PowerPoint or Google Slides. What if we created an editor? Alter OC over on YouTube. Welcome in. Good to see you. What if we created an editor similar to this, similar to some of the other tools that are out there, where somebody can make their own slides within the editor and also make like tiles and edit. I don't even know how we do that. It'd almost be like creating another Godot, like a Godot within a Godot, because one, we'd need, ooh, I did remember I have this thing. And no, I am not doing any of the game jams right now because I know myself. What I got in here? Let's rename this to, and then let's add in a new note here. All right. Live or Die, it has been quite a while. I've been actually really good. It's been a fortnight since I've been here. I promise going forward, I will stream more frequently than fortnightly. But as I was saying before, I left, or I streamed 2 weeks ago on Saturday. On Sunday, I went to the airport, hopped on a plane to Barcelona, and then spent that following week in Barcelona at a conference. Came home that Friday. Enjoyed the weekend. And then got sick on Monday. And got kind of knocked out. And I haven't really felt like, geez, me fail English? That's impossible. I haven't felt like streaming or even being in front of my computer. So today is the first day that I'm kind of like, all right, let's let's fucking go. Since I got back. See, it's kind of both sarcastically and I know that it is right, but it's weird because, like I say, the whole two languages of Barcelona is weird to me. I know that it's a capital of Catalan. Liberty, thank you for stopping in. I appreciate you. RGB, no, I don't plan on quitting. I mean, I got the contract job a while back, and I was still streaming at night afterwards. Granted, I was kind of half-assing it then. At the contract job. But I'm not going to be doing mornings. I thought that maybe the jet lag would be enough to where I could start doing mornings, but at least my mornings. I don't want to assume anybody's space-time coordinates. I'd like to start getting up early, but I also have insomnia, so falling asleep early enough to get up that early is kind of rough. And I don't want to compete with people that I like. And Beegs. I don't want to compete with Beegs either. But if I were to do mornings, it would be, a hard stop at 9 a.m. Central. All right, so what was I doing here? Presentation creation. 1. It would need a whole UI. Yeah, I like Beegs. Beegs is good people. We play. He's like my favorite Minecraft streamer, and he's been doing some really good YouTube stuff too. I need to get back into YouTube. I mean, I'm on YouTube right now. Hi YouTube. Hi. But I need to think of more tutorial stuff, and I'm almost thinking of going a slightly different direction too with the YouTube and maybe embracing the web dev stuff. So here's the problem. Here's the issue with the one complaint, if you could even call it that, one complaint with job I'm at now. And I don't even see it as a complaint because I knew exactly what I was getting into. Can I hide this sidebar? There we go. Stop moving it. All right, so right now, Drupal why did I even do that? Yeah. All right, so right now, the current version of Drupal is 11. 1.1, right? 1.1. That's most recently released. Ani, welcome in. I will stretch for you. Oh. So the version that I'm keeping alive is 7. Now, 8, 9, and 10. Well, let's just put it this way. 8 and 9 are already end of life. But why aren't we supporting that one? Well, it's because the upgrade path from 8 to 9 is composer update. You type that in your terminal, boom. Aside from updating some custom code. Same thing going from 9 to 10. Very simple. However, the upgrade path from 7 to 8, or 7 to 9, 7 to 10, 7 to 11, is basically rebuilding your entire site, right? Because in Drupal 8, we started using the Symfony backend, or Symfony in PHP. And so that made it easier for future updates to continue on that way. In Drupal 7, we didn't use that, so there is no clear-cut upgrade path. It's more of a site migration, migrating content from a Drupal 7 site to a brand new Drupal 8 site. Okay. Now, since my focus here is on 7, my concern is that I am going to forget or miss out on a lot of the new stuff in 10 and 11 and things as they come out. So there are a couple ways I can keep myself, up to date. Let's think of it as future proofing, right? Sure. Yeah, let's call it future proofing. Just in case, I don't want to think, but I like to plan for, hope for the best, prepare for the worst. In the event that, let's say, where I'm at now, Drupal never-ending support doesn't take off as a product. I don't think that's the case, but what if? What if? It's a big what if, right? They don't need me. I try to get a new job. They interview me. How do you feel about Drupal 10 and Drupal 11? Oh, well, I don't know. So I'm trying to play catch up. So I need to keep myself up to date somehow. So that's why this is a long-winded way of getting around to, I think that I would like to do some web development and Drupal content and on YouTube. If nothing else, maybe to create a second channel there, or actually it would be a fourth. And maybe specify, be much more siloed in, like, right now my current channel, JD Does Dev on YouTube. Could be focused on game dev, and then I could do JD Does Web Dev. I'm also, thinking on here of potentially creating a second account to do like more variety stuff. Maybe just like a straight up JD Does, where I do anything. Okay, yeah, that was a long-winded way of saying I want to do more YouTube content and I want to think of stuff. Oh, okay, need a UI. Need a way to. I don't think that. I don't know that creating a whole thing for this would work, because you'd have to assume that the presentation would be a platformer. Need way to place tiles. Right, so this is just a very high level view of what we would need if we were to break out the creation process. Oh. Need way to So these are the things that we need. We need the, flat out UI kind of covers all this, but need a way to place tiles and select tile maps, right? So that's going to be pretty difficult to take that functionality out of Godot and put it in a Godot app. Same thing with creating a sprite, placing labels, which would be, essentially create slides. And then create animations for slides or effects, things like that, and need a way to add in speaker notes. Now, all these would be like creating a new editor, which would be pretty difficult. I think it would be a fun project. I think it'd be exciting. It'd be different. And I am definitely in favor of doing things like how can we make non-game stuff with the game engine? But I don't know that this is going to work. I'm going to start this up real quick. I need to run to the restroom. I know it's only been 30 minutes, but I will be right back. All right, back. Okay, so I don't think that we're going to try to do a presentation framework like this. Fair enough? Cool. All right, now I found out the hard way when I gave this talk. A couple weeks ago in Minneapolis, that this shader in particular does not work on Mac. And I honestly just don't have it in me to try and fix that. So I'm going to clear those out. However, the star shader does work, which is cool, right? Cool, cool, cool. So we'll get rid of that. But let's get back to a Chrome thing. Wait a minute. Ooh. Oh. Let's update. Um. Shit. Shit. Here, actually, well, what I press? While I'm doing this, I'm looking for where I downloaded where I bought a Sprite. Nano Dev, welcome back. Nano Dev. Nano Dev. Where'd it go? Here we go. Sorry, I thought I was still muted. Damn it. I apologize. That was really loud. Really? Do I have to? Am I not allowed to create a link here? What? Am I not considered partner anymore? You're right, Incredible. This time I am, but it was on purpose. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's put on our dev hats. Let's encyclopedia around this shit. Okay. Yes, that too. Let's do that. Not found? This is weird. All right. Oh. Okay. All right. So, shut up, Fishman. Shut up. All right. Well, what I was trying to do here is share out my link while I was looking up something, but I can't do that apparently. So I'm just gonna blur instead, and not tell you all to go look at something. Did I? Maybe it's just easier to put it in Steam, isn't it? Yeah. And somebody remind me to change the combination on my luggage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like the kind of combination an idiot would have on his luggage. All right, blur off. Blur off. Okay, great. Ah, all right. So how big should a tile map be? All right, that's what we were getting at, right? Ah, son bitch. Well, I already got it. So you can't use that my key. You can't use my key. Um, All right, so let's take a look here and let's see how big the tile set is that I'm currently using. Because I think it would be fun if I make my own, right? Ooh, there you be. All right, pattern, no, tile, okay. This is 18 by 18. So that I think that Kenny does it a little bit weird. I'm thankful for Kenny. I'm very, very, very thankful for Kenny. Never think otherwise. But 18 square versus 16 square, kind of odd. It seems to me like 16, 32, 48, 64, and so on and so forth. Fishman, I'm exactly where I was before because I was sick and I didn't. God damn it! I'm sorry. I need to start muting myself when I cough. I'm still getting over whatever this is, and no, it's not the vid. Covideo didn't kill this radio star. Wait. 21? 14. There we go. Yeah, I didn't do anything at a computer outside of work this week. And, the week before, I didn't have access to a gaming or a laptop that was good enough to well, I guess no. Ooh, I wonder. Sorry, ADD, I haven't taken my Adderall yet today. Actually, there's a shortage and I can't take my Adderall. Yeah, well, oh, I got one left. Yay! I got my prescription refilled yesterday, but they are out and I can't get it refilled. Or they can't actually refill. So I didn't get it refilled. I got a refill ordered. So yes, I am kind of all over the place because I haven't taken my meds this morning. Did you take your meds? No. So I have a couple goals. Now that I have a good paying job, that I'm happy with, I'm happy at. One of them is to get a laptop that I can. A cup of gold. It's like a cup of soup, only mine is always will never be full. All right, Fishman, you say I'm old. Let's do this Elder Millennial Challenge, possibly X Challenge. Do you remember Pizza in a Cup? It's not an actual product, but it's from a movie. Pizza in a Cup. But so I have a couple goals, a couple things I'm saving up for, and a couple things I want to use my. I was not referencing a book there. Unless you're talking about Encyclopedia Browning this shit. So what I want to use anything that I make from Twitch is to get a new Fishman, we might be right along on the same right in the same age group. Really, really close if I remember correctly. I am currently in my 42nd year Actually, it would be my 43rd year. I'm 42, but you know, from 0 to 1 is the first year. Oh, let's see. For me, if I had stayed in, I would currently, I would already be retired if I stayed in. And by stayed in, I mean, if I hadn't got kicked out. All right, so the goals that I have, one, I want to get a new graphics card for the PC. Well, new graphics card, processor, and MOBO. So it's going to be the PC of Theseus, basically. Um, the other goal is I want to get a powerhouse of a laptop, but not as big as the one that I currently have, which is over 10 years old now. I'll show you the one if I can even find it. Oh, laptop. Oh shit, it was 20. Yeah, here we go. Icon, welcome back. I've been all over. I've been all around the world, man. Um, I went to Barcelona for a week for work, and then I got sick for a week, and now I'm here. Good to see you, Icon. G71. G71. What was it? 751. 751. Icon, it was great. It was really great. So I want to show you I mean, this thing, 17-inch touchscreen. I want to see the weight. Yeah, 8.5 pounds. Show the damn pictures. Let's do it this way. This is a gaming laptop that I have. It's old. It's huge. 17-inch screen, thicker than a Snicker. And the monitor sits back here. None of these really, show off how absolutely massive they are. There, let's just take a look at this. Okay. No, that's not it. All right, so yeah, it even has a optical drive in it. All right, this laptop has an optical drive. Here. I'll mute it and blah, 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 blah. It's good, okay? I also, really spec mine out. Really added in pretty much everything. I got it discounted at Best Buy as a refurb. And the way I was able to afford it, back in this time, I was doing some SEO freelancing. Dances with Dirt. We were talking about you, but everybody, stop it now. Just stop. We'll find another topic. Honestly, it's big enough where you probably could have fit a floppy drive in somewhere. No, I was talking about my goals for streaming and some things that I want to do. One of them, the biggest one is I want to get a laptop that I can take with me that is portable enough to take with me everywhere, but powerful enough where I could potentially stream while I'm traveling. Ding, dot, no. Because right now I've got this one. This is from 2015. This is a 17 and a half inch monitor. And put next to a 2015 cell phone or a camera lens. Look at that. Look at this huge thing. Yeah, it's 8.5 pounds. I was carrying it around for a while, but it's also, old. So I can't use a lot of my whatever laptop I get is going to have NVIDIA something or other because I like the NVIDIA stuff that I'm using. All right, ads. Ads are coming up right now. We're going to turn on the Chat Gets Games. I will be back in about 3 minutes. Stick around. If you aren't subscribed, you're going to see the ads. If you are subscribed or have Turbo, I appreciate you, and you get to play the game. Wait, is it still showing the... Real quick. Looks like Sidekick got stuck. All right, I'll be back. See y'all very, very soon. All right, back. So this is one of my goals. The other goal is to get some more, to upgrade my current PC. All right, now, yeah. So I've shown off enough there. So what are we gonna do right now? We're going to do math. Aha! New. All right, so 16 times 20. There we go. Incredible. What are you looking for, man? What are you looking for? That? Oh no. I am bested. I have been bested. Layer, new tile bet layer. All right, what the hell did I just do? How do I use this? Oh, there it is. There we go. All right, let's get a different palette. Okay, we'll delete that. Now let's looky here. Presets. And can I sort it by no? Err. You did get bumped. Haha, that's what you get for bragging. Okay, this is good enough. Good enough. Jesus. Grid settings. Okay, so each of these is a tile. Everything within a blue square is a tile, right? So that means that there should be about, not about, should be 10 here. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, yep. Okay, and then there's 20. Incredible. If I get tips, if I get donos up to 200, if I hit 200 in dono, whether it be Kofi, no, mostly Kofi. I guess Stream Elements, or yeah, Stream Elements, whatever. I will switch immediately to a sax stream. I'll drop what I'm doing and pick up the saxophone. Le toot 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 toot. All right, so I just realized something. I don't know what I'm doing. So let's look for some inspiration. What would this do? Contour. Let's find the Inspirato. What do we got here? That's a real difficult drop. That's the one. Oh, RCB. Not bad. All right, so let's look at. Let's just do one of these, okay? Let's do one of these things. Right, just one of these selections, which is 4x4. So let's take a 4x4 and let's make it. I thought that this was view. I feel like the toolbar was on the other. No. Stop. Really thought that the toolbar was on the other side, which, you know, that's on me if I'm wrong. Editor. What is this? Nope. All right. Sorry, I'm getting distracted here. So it'll be a 4x4. Nope. and we will fill it green. The hell? There we go. Let's do this a little bit more like that, okay? Damn it, that's a 5x5. There we go. Okay, okay, okay. So, okay, 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 okay. 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 There we go. So we got that. Now let's do the same here. This is going to be our solo block, right? And then here. Like that. Okay. So we got a good start here. And in fact, let's look here. Got layer 1. I'm gonna choose a dark, 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 dark. And we are going to fill that like this, like so. How's that look? Done. Ship it. Ready to go. I can't back that up. Um, here, add a little bit to the top there. Now this has a border. I don't know that I really necessarily like the border. I guess that would make this easier to like Do that. No, no, no. Yeah, that doesn't work out at all. Not at all. Oh, good catch. Good catch. There we go. Good catch, incredible. What game is this? Mystical Ninja? Or was it a different song, RCB? Sorry. So here's where I get concerned. What worries me about this is making sure that like things line up completely. So if I do something here, let's go back and take a look at what can he do. I guess that's the key. Well, here, okay, look at these. Lines go all the way across so that they line up on all of them. So this one will match up with this one, will match up with this one, match up with this one, match up with this one. You know, shit like that. Right? I guess the quick fix would be not having anything cross over. So just like things like it. I mean that's one key way to make sure that things line up. But what about like bricky things? Let's say, you know, the Mario bricks. Ah, we could do that. But is it really the same? I mean, if I do that, then I'm a Nazer 2004. Welcome. Wow, that is a bold first message. Just don't get it in my hair. I guess the smart thing here would be to just like take this. And can I edit them? No, individually here. Oh, well, welcome in. Welcome in. Just adding in a few like random spots. So I'm trying to figure out, are there any? Oh, I remember emo giraffe. Giraffe. Welcome back. It's good to see you. Let's go back to here. Well, here we go. Check this shit out. Chat, seriously. Incredible. What number? Where do you see a number? Oh. Nice. But I love this thing. All right, so start by making a full tile that wraps on all four edges. So how let's do this. Okay. What I'm looking at here is edge. rough tile, offset it by 50%. Okay, let's see if I can copy this or follow this. Let's not directly copy it. Here, this is what this shit's for, right? All right, so let's try it. What now? Why? What the? What? What's going on here? What's the problem? Why? All right, so we're basically trying this. You know, no, no. Okay. Not get too deep into it here. Deep. Okay. Draw the rough tile. Ooh. Okay, so let's do that. Let's. All right, so we're gonna do this on layer 1, and then we're going to. I guess we're doing lava brick here. All right, where did the thing go? Ink. Fading. Sure. Okay. 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 Now, I don't get this part. Draw a rough tile, offset it, rework the center. What does it mean by that? Can anybody explain this to me? Like where am I going wrong? Fishman. Shush, shush, shush. Let's take the selection, move it back here, copy it. That didn't do. Making. What's it called? Seamless. Seamless. Oh, Desist Dodling, welcome back. Good to see you.
Desist Dawdling just subscribed for 8 months.
8 months.
JD,
Ooh.
glad to see you
Ooh.
streaming. Been doing
Oh shit, it's not
homework and
September
just
anymore.
now checking
Why the
who
hell
is
is
on
that
Twitch
still a
lol.
thing? Whoopsie. Where the thing, where the... No, that's not it. Action. Where the hell is it even? Oh, that's a good drop. Where the hell? Action history. There we go. September. Ah, that's the follow thing. Okay. Elite trigger. Yes. Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I did it as an announcement too. Oh no. That was loud. Okay. Choose that one. We can do that, and then can I just edit the one? No. Son of a bitch. All right. So what I want to do here is really just edit one tile. If possible, but it's not giving me that possibility. Look, okay. All right, here we go. Oh shit. Now it's working. Fucker. All right. No. Is there something that I'm missing here? Because I thought I did it once. Apparently I'm wrong. Because what I want is for when one of them change, they all change. That just ain't the case, is it now? Okay. Let's watch the video.
Hey guys, welcome to another Sprite tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to easily make tile sets. This includes grass, rocks, bricks, you know, stuff like that. So to start off, we're going to start with a 32 by 32 pixel canvas, RGBA, and transparent background. Okay, this is our canvas. So for this, I'm going to go to View, Tiled mode, tiled in both axes. Now, as
Ooh, no. Okay. Why is it got to be something so simple as that? Why? Code Wonderland, welcome in. Good to see ya. I wouldn't say I'm deving. I'd say I'm crying. Thank you. It's good to see you watching or hanging out, lurking, whatever it is that you're doing. It's good to see you doing it. Let's see. Let's can we just fill that? Okay, great.
you can see, it's tiled in both axes, and I can draw in one square and it'll show what it would look like on the right, left, top, down, and corner sides. So this is great for tile set making. So to start off, we're going to start with grass. You get the fill tool out first, and just spray down some green. Alright, now get your spray tool out, and spray some darker green on top. And make sure you go all in the other tiles, so that it's more seamless. Alright, now you're going to go to your blur tool, and blur it all up. Alright, next you want to add another layer of green, a darker layer of green. And now use the blur tool again.
Where the hell is this blur tool that he's talking about? Sorry, Code. Oh, yeah, that's not a bad idea. I should probably actually just turn it on. I'm just trying to. I want to learn how to do like. Well, you know, the best thing to show is I want to learn how to do these tiles. And sure, I could look at it and be like, oh, cool, yeah, that's how I do it. But I also think that having like brick, which don't really see here. Well, yeah, there. Seamless brick here. So it almost looks like, you know, create one. Well, no, not even that. These are the same. Oh, wait, no, that is the same here. Well, they put or can you put a border on top? Fallen, what is up? Welcome in. Good to see ya. And Code, I'm sorry about the auditory overload. Believe me, I get that. right, so let's try just straight up bricking it. I think I like doing it this way better. Let's see. All right, so I see a problem here. Do you see a problem? I see a problem. Um, Sprite is great. Well, learns actually it's not multi-cursor. It's just using view tiled mode, tiled in both axes. So you're only drawing on one thing. So if I took that off, this is the only thing that I'm actually drawing on. Um, okay, so there is a simple brick tile. Now, I'm not completely trying to recreate this, but we can do simple stuff like boom. Nope, not like that. Maybe even. Actually, I kind of like that. I think I'm more inclined to like this. Then use this as a guide. And harshen that up. Yeah, there we go. Now let's do a little bit of this. There. Check that out. That is not the worst thing that I've ever done. Now, the worst thing I ever did, one time I went to the movies. No. I don't hate that. Now, if I add in a new layer, that's what I was afraid of. Okay, so we have a single tile here. So I can copy. Sprite. Okay, 32 times 4. You know what? Here. $128. There we go. There we go. Now, tile map here. Properties. And then layer new. All right, ads are starting up. Chat, guess games. Play. If you're subbed or if you're turbo, chat, guess games is all you. If you're not, please stick around after the ads. I will be back. Or sub and play some chat, guess games made by our friend Lynch Makes Games. Zada Saber, what's up? The ads are up. Unfortunately, I will be back in about 3 minutes. Okay. Hugs, kisses, XOXO. I'll be back. No, I'm muted. I'm muted. I'm an idiot as usual. Um, Copy. No. Do that. We copy. We paste, but it doesn't paste. But why doesn't it paste? I grab this. I do this. Balint, Ambassador, Balint. Thank you. You welcome back here. It is good to be back.
Right, and they fly it off anyway, and the other half that was left behind, the poopy bit, right, that turns into another planarian. Ta-da! Aren't Jeffries great now with the flash weapons?
I am feeling better. My trip was great. I got sick after I got home.
Oh my goodness, Humbler John.
Not when I was there. When I got home, I got sick. So that's why I haven't been back since then. And now I'm finally feeling up to streaming again. I have missed streaming, but I couldn't put myself into it with the way I was feeling. The fact that I took off half of Monday and all of Tuesday at a job that I've been at for less than 3 weeks. Well, now officially 3 weeks. Should be some indicator of how I was feeling. I mean, granted, this job does have unlimited PTO. Do I have to paste it while I'm there? There, that's a problem. That's so weird. But yes, I'm super thrilled to be back. I don't know how long I'm gonna go for today. Oh man. Uh because I don't want to overdo it. But I'm back, baby. That's not right. Okay, so we've got this, got that. Now I've got a new. I don't want to move the whole layer though. No, not that, no. Okay, so that's the, foreground and background. Oh, that has been moved. Ah, interesting, interesting. Now, here's how I'm thinking. Well, honestly, what I'm thinking is that I would like to take left here. How can I do this? Nope, that won't work. What I want to do, I mean, you see how I've got on the bottom here. Those are teeny, teeny, tiny, itty bitty. I've got some larger ones up here. So let's take this, take that. Clean it. Okay, so now we have the starting of a seamless map. That's a good start. But I'm still interested in trying to figure out, like this kind of rocky thingy. Because that's not really making a whole lot of sense. Kind of get it, but I don't. I'm wondering, can I, let's just do a new one here. And just fill it. I think I know the answer to this. Yeah, okay. So I can make a tile like over here. I wonder if I could even an interesting way of laying it out. But it works. It works. So I could take this on the time map layer. Take that. And just be like, have it. Hit it. Well, this is interesting. Okay, so now this I can't paste. Okay, so what up with that? Unless it worked. It worked for a second there. What the hell? Well, science. I'm glad that somebody finally said it. Hi, Munchie. You know what's happening right now? Not working. It's not working. I don't get it. Remap tiles. Maybe that'll do. No. Why? What is the problem here? Okay. Why? Why can't I paste it in there? Modify existent. This is bugging the hell out of me. Why? Why you do this? All right, where? Modify existent title. Can anybody explain to me what the heck is going on here? Unless I'm just trying to paste, man. But here's what I'm thinking is happening. Here's my thought is that they're using two different palettes. So this bad boy isn't in the palette. So What the hell just happened there? No, no, no. Olin, DDEV only does DDEV. It won't touch any Docker containers. At least it shouldn't. It'd be really shitty if it did. But if you look anything, it should only be in the project that you do it in. So desist. What I'm trying to do is a tile layer, and here it's not even showing it. Go back here, tile map. I want a new tile. I want a new tile. Get rid of that. I guess. So what I want to do here is end goal. Here is what I would like to happen. Let's go back to tile map layer. Let's get rid of this shit. All right, no tiles. Clear you out. Let's do that. Okay. So what I want to do is new 3232. Great. So let's get the right thingy here. All right, so let's just do. Oh no, not that. Yeah, did it do? GBD, wow. Okay, so I want to be able to copy that. Then I want to come over here. I want to paste that in. Just like this. But it don't paste. It shows. Unless I need to move it to a different tile. There, okay. No, I only want to paste one tile because the whole thing, with this, if I take away tile mode, it's just this, right? There we go. All right, so we got it tiled here. Now let's clear this and let's just do a simple. What did I just do? I think I need to move it over. Okay, so that's not going to work. So if I select this and then move it over here, that works. Okay, I think I got it. So it needs to go in an empty spot. So the best thing for this is going to be to show grid. And then just to verify here, okay. So I just need to put it in a new spot. One that doesn't have anything. And now I could take this one, pencil it, be like, ooh, doo doo. Skippies, what is up? Welcome in. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Good time zone to you. Don't ask me what I'm doing right now, because I really don't know. I'm just kind of messing with stuff. All right, let's back it up, back it up. So I think I understand what the problem was. The hell? So for this, I just need to create a new spot in each one. I don't get this whole 525-380-589 XYD. Phone learns. What PHP version are you using?
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Welcome in. First raid in 2 weeks. I appreciate you coming in. Sheps Almighty. How was the stream? Blob Dylan, welcome in. First time chat. Good to see you. Sea of Tranquility, also great to see you. My insert current activity is going all right. I mean, so here is what I want to do. And here's kind of what I've been working on and getting distracted on. I'm giving my talk again next week in Seattle, this talk. And I want to make a tile map. Better than, well, not better, because never going to be better than what Kenny makes. But I want to make my own tile map and just kind of do the thing. You know, Kenny makes some great assets. I love Kenny's stuff. But I kind of want to make my own here. So I'm trying to learn in Sprite how to do that. I'm just dicking around with it a little bit, and finally, I think I understand what needs to happen here. It's weird, but I have to move the thing to a unused tile slot. But now that I figured it out, so the reason that what I want to do here is to be able to make like the bricks like this, and then make some variations upon them. So go over into here, do the view tiled both. Pull in something like let's make some fluffy little clouds here. So make the thing over here, copy it, and then take it over here. Let's move it into new tile spot. Press enter. And now I have tile where I can go. Look, fluffy clouds. Yay, 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 yay. Also, God, I am so bad at this. Let's do shout out.
It's in the string.
Super algorithmic expialidocious.
Well, that's not working.
So that's what I'm working on here is, you know, making my own tile-y thingies. And I'm failing miserably.
What does this?
Odds are I'm not going to have it fixed in
I
time
do
to
that.
really make any major changes for my next talk.
Oh.
Also, Raiders, welcome in.
Oh.
So, honestly, it has been 2 weeks since I streamed. This is
Oh.
my first stream since 2 Saturdays ago, before I left for Spain. So I'm slow on the uptake. Slow on the uptake a little bit. So Raiders coming in. For those of you who don't know me, I am JD. I am a Drupal developer, currently working in securing outdated versions and keeping deprecated open source software alive. I'm learning game dev, doing little by little, currently working on in my talk, which is why I talk to myself and how it made me a better developer. This talk is going to be presented as a platformer game. I've given it twice so far. Let's play it. Let me demo my talk for you. So my talk is all about learning in public and how streaming and getting into streaming has made me a better developer. I don't know quite how many or how much change I can make in the next few days, because I'm leaving for Seattle on Thursday. But I would like to add or make it a little bit different. Improve a couple things if I can. I don't know. And right now I'm torn because I do have a main game that I haven't touched in a while because I was getting a little bit burnt out on it, which is City's Revenge. It's about a scary bear who don't like you. Feel free to wishlist it. No pressure. Also, Chef's Almighty, I never asked, is there anything that you want to share? I'm getting back into the swing of things. I'm getting back into it. Like Steve Winwood said, I'll be back in the high life again. Or some shit like that. Oh. I think maybe I should go to SFXR and make some more sounds for like this. Have it be like when it pops in, and I want to have like almost a little animation of this dude, and I want to have some for the next time I give it, and maybe this will be the project for the rest of the week. I want to put in like a score thing and a life thing, even though I'm not going to have it die, because how annoying would that be if every time I messed up on my own game, my own little platformer here, and died, had to go back to the first slide. Now, a change that I recently made. Did I make it here? No, I didn't make it here. Ooh. I gotta fix that. I have on my MacBook, where I gave the talk last, Mega Man type scene changes, where when the screen is going back and forth, instead of moving, sorry for the motion sickness here, but instead of moving, he pauses midair or wherever he might be while the thing changes. So it's a bit of a pause there and can't get lost in the thing. So I'll have to look on my MacBook and see. Oh, let's see. So yeah, this is my presentation framework, which earlier today we were talking about how we might do a like make an app to do presentations like this, to make your own presentations, which I think would be really cool. But it's essentially building a Godot editor, because you'd need, well, how do we put it? You need a way to place tiles and select tile maps, which is part of the Godot editor. You need a way to place your sprite or character. You need a way to create slides, animations. So you need to be able to add animation nodes, and need a way to add speaker notes, which I should mention, that's the thing that I'm most proud of here. It's my speaker notes. So I have a second screen where I can see where I am in the game and have my own notes up here. Okay. So far we learned a little bit about tile maps. I want to learn how that words are hard. Learned a little bit about making tile maps. I'm glad about. I'm really glad that we're there's that. We can make bricks pretty easily. No. And then once we have something in there, then we can, like, let's do this. Whoa. Now, if I go here and do something like, yes, it creates another tile. So we can alter things here just fine. Right? Make a little bit of interesting stuff. So the thing that I was looking at too was the tutorial here. Where you go? Yeah, this helps out a little bit, but I think just using the tile thingy here. So that'll make it really simple to do. Like, let's try a dirt. All right, so we'll do that. Just spray paint this a little bit. Get a little bit dirty. Blur it down a little bit more. A little bit dirtier. Yeah, I don't think I like the blur so much as maybe Jumble. Because Jumble's just going to use the same colors. Shake them up a little bit here. Right? I think that's yeah, there we go. Stop. Now let's add in some definite lines. Oh, this looks like absolute horse shit. Chefs Almighty, thank you for the raid. Thank you for everything. Appreciate you. I hope you have a great day. I will be back later this week too. I'm gonna keep on going. Keep on keeping on. Some shit like that. Okay. Almost need like a noise. Is that something that you can do? Okay, file, import, scripts. Do that. Where'd it go? What? What do we got? What do we got?
Kales_C just subscribed
Kales,
for 5
thank you.
months.
Oh,
Last
shit,
time
wow.
For a while. Moving to Seattle and not paid enough for that.
Kales, I'm going to be in Seattle. It's good to see you. Thank you so much for the tier 3. You make the world go round and round. And round, around, around. I mean, this folder's empty. Put something in there. You don't owe me shit. I am just glad when you're here. Okay, cool. Cool. This is what I want. Perlin. Give me the extension. Give me the extension. Kales, I'm trying to learn tiling. I wanna tiling. Wait, do I have to do what? Okay, I can get it with Windows. Yes. Okay. So the whole thing, the reason I'm looking into this is I'm giving my talk again, next Sunday, a week from tomorrow, and I'm thinking it would be fun to have my own tiles in here and keep updating it, keep growing it every time I give it, and make it a lot better to run with. Oh, ads are going. So for those of you who are subbed, you get to play Cat Gets Games. For those of you who aren't subbed, well, you can't hear this, so it doesn't really matter. I will be back in 3 minutes. Ugh. How did I even mute? I didn't press mute that time. How long have I been muted? God, I suck at this. I so bad at streaming. I've also kind of been silent, trying to figure this shit out. But and I look at this stuff and I see what it should look like. Let's no, not you. See, I see what I would like it to look like. That I just can't seem to create that. Even this basic one. I think I might be putting too much into it. And this on its own almost looks like rocks. Go back to Warley. No. That also no. Oh, what did I just do? Anti-alias. No, no, no. Okay. Turn that off. Let's try. Okay, so hey, this kind of looks like rocks. Kind of like what I'm going for, right? Ah, shit, I did it again. All right, all right, all right. New layer here. And then around bottom here. Hypnotic, welcome in. Good to see ya. I'm doing all right. How about you? Been a minute. Glad to see you're
Would you
here.
like a fresh poppy seed muffin?
Yes, I
baked
would.
it myself.
I would love all the poppy seed muffins. Don't offer if you're not going to provide. Be that guy. I use it's called streamgood.gg. And there's another one, Sidekick, that also works. I like Streamgood because it allows you to select like most recent or featured only or shit like that. Today I'm making a mess. I am working on my platformer presentation because I'm giving that talk again next weekend. And I am interested in making my own tiles. So that is what I am doing right now, is just playing around with seeing how to make repeatable tiles. I'm kind of trying to figure or follow along with this to get an idea of here we are. Um Am I doing this right? Somebody validate me. So, Hypnotic, have you seen my platformer presentation? Oh, none. Okay, there we go. Now in the center here, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay, that looks like a good basic rack. Right, 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 right. Okay. Okay. You know what? 3.5 hours. First stream back in 2 weeks. I'm feeling pretty good about it, but my voice is starting to give out a little bit. Especially after being sick. I don't wanna overdo it too much. So I am going to take off. We're gonna find a raid target. Any suggestions? Anybody out there at Chatland? Who else you watching right now? Um. Kills. No, I think I do it. I do it all the time. I listen all the time, or I have multiple streams up all the time. I try to be active in quite a few of them, but sometimes I'm just lurking to support people while I can't really be active. But I think I will go to raid. We're gonna go to this angry old man here. And I want to thank all of you for being here for my return to greatness here.